Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a phone desktop tripod Magsafe device that I just received. Now, I did purchase this myself, so this is not a sponsored video, but I can't wait to show you guys what comes in this little envelope. So let's take everything out so you guys can take a look at it. So as you guys can see here, everything is wrapped really nice in this bubble wrap. All right, so we have our MagSafe desktop tripod. We have a little starter manual, and you also receive one of these MagSafe rings. So if you have, say for instance, a phone, an older phone maybe that doesn't have MagSafe, it comes with the ring. It also comes with a little Allen key that's going to be for adjusting the tension on the device. So keep this handy. I always try to put these in something I can find them. I'll even write down on the plastic what this is for, so I'll be able to easily locate it. So that's just a quick tip. All right, so the manual kind of walks you through all of the different functions, all the different ways that you can use this device. But I'm going to do my best to try and walk you guys through this as well to show you the different features and the simplicity of using something like this. Y'all ready? Let's get to it. All right, so starting out, as you guys can see, this is all metal, and it seems to be the only color that it's available in, which is this kind of grayish metallic gray. And here on the back, you have the magnet surface, and you also have two quarter 20s. So this is the complete unfolded variation of it. This is going to be great if you're just using this as a selfie stick or something along those lines. You do have a middle hinge right here in the center, and this is going to allow you to, really get a little bit more control when it comes to placing this where you want to be able to use it. Now on the back, as you guys can see here, we have these two little legs, and these spread out like so. There's no magnets here, so these don't just lock back in place, but it's pretty nice. Okay. You also have this hinge system that turns this into, for the most part, a little tripod. So the way this would work is you would extend the legs like so, and then you can still adjust this as needed. And that's where that little hinge really comes into play, because it's going to give you a little bit more control. Okay, so let's throw a phone on here so you guys can see what that looks like. So I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max here in a MagSafe case, and it just pops right on. Another thing that I like about this so far is that we have quarter 20s along the base here. And what this is going to allow you to do is to connect this to a tripod. But even if you don't have a tripod mount that uses quarter 20s, you could still use this with, say for instance, Arca Swiss, because the Arca Swiss is built into it. And that is what you see right here on the side. This is going to fit into your traditional Arca Swiss devices, right? So overall, I like the weight. I like the way it feels in my hand. So this will be great if you're going to use this as a selfie device. So if you're out, doing selfie videos or something like that, this is going to be great for that. Or if you are using this to record content. Now, a quick little tip here for a lot of you guys who may not know. I know you see a lot of people when they're using this in a selfie mode or in a video mode, they'll have the camera set up like this. And this does work if you have very steady hands, but if you want to give yourself a little bit more control with this, what you want to do is to rotate this guy slightly to the side. I know it's going to seem weird, but it's going to allow you to give a little bit more stability when you're recording and better control using a device like this. Okay, so that's just another little tip. Another thing that you'll find here is that you do have a cold shoe mount right back here in the back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You have your Arca Swiss, you have your built-in metallic legs, you have a really strong magnet on this guy. And, again, if you wanted to attach something like a little magic arm to this so that you could then attach a microphone, this is going to be ideal if you're, installing a microphone receiver right into this. This will be perfect if you're connecting that way. Most of the time when I'm using the phones or something like that, I'm using like a Bluetooth microphone. But for some who still have some of the older units, this will work perfectly because it's just going to give you a place to connect that receiver and then plug it right into your phone. It's just going to make your workflow that much easier. Get yourself one of these, throw it in your camera bag, throw it in your backpack, put it in your pocket, whatever the case is going to be. This guy is a win. And, if you're one of those kind of people, this could pretty much just live on your device. It does add some, extra thickness to it. But if that's something that won't bother you, hey, man, you do what you do. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.